Garrett Matthews. He's a man of the people, but most importantly, he's a man of Christmas and America. He likes everything about Christmas and America. And here's the other guys. They don't even wash their hands. Disgusting. Here at Matthews Landscape, we're dedicated to creating a fun and joyful Christmas season to make your Christmas bright again. While we're trying to install Christmas joy for all to see, the other guys want to steal your joy and our signs. Jerks. We have a proven process from years of experience, from installation to takedown and storage. The other guys, not so much. Our focus has always been on making the installation and maintenance of your light display a stress-free part of your holiday celebration. Estimates are fast and free. We measure and provide all of the custom fit materials to our clients, while the other guy is out to lunch and ordering 2 coleslaws instead of extra toast. Weird. Remember to choose Matthews this holiday season.
I'm Garrett Matthews and I approve of this message.